This is Harry. It had been about 5 months since he first noticed his computer was running slower than usual. Harry initially suspected a problem with his computer. Without wasting any time, he began looking for Los Angeles's top computer and laptop repair stores. On his quest, Harry discovered iTech Xpress, a local business with a stellar reputation for repairing computers and laptops. He quickly visited over there and explained his requirements to the professionals. After making an accurate diagnosis, they offered him a top-notch repair service. As a result, Harry was delighted with the professional service he received from the trained experts. At iTech Xpress, they can fix computers quickly and affordably. What's more, they have a stock of various parts, so you won't have to go anywhere for replacements. Is that something you'd be interested in, too? Dial 626-777-4747 to get in touch with them. Visit itechexpressinc.com for additional information.